What's up, everyone? We got a beautiful day right after a nice thunderstorm this morning. It has been 6 days since we've had those nukes now. But let's take a look at this hive and see how it's doing. It's that one right there, the white one. I'm calling that one my mom hive. A lot of young bees. A drone right there. I'd say they are filling out this box quite nice. So these are the frames I gave them. Let's see how they're doing. Now, I'm not taking out this frame because there's a ton of bees on there right now and they have it bridged to the side of the hive. So I don't want to squish any. Oh. That's a lot of nectar. Okay, so this one has solid eggs on it. By the way, if I find her, if I happen to see her, I'm gonna mark her because I know she's a 2020 queen. So all the open cells there has eggs in it. The little white rice. Oh, and there she is right there. And there you go. Now she's a marked queen. Now I'm just gonna set her down for a little bit. A lot of good larvae. Good brood pattern. She's doing really good. So I'm thinking I can give them another box. Eggs up in here. She is just doing great. Look at that. She has eggs in every one of them cells. Can you see that? Might be hard because of the green. And that side. Wow. Busy. There, she's down in there. Well, sweet. That one, I'm gonna give them another box to let them do the work on that. All right, so we're all ready. Got the box ready. That white one's gonna go on. Now that one is full of honey except for these frames, these 3 here, are empty. I'm gonna let them draw them out. So I decided I'm not gonna put the honey super on this one yet. I'm gonna put that other box on there and wait a week so they can polish it and check it out, or wait another 5 days. So this one, on the other hand, is doing very well. So I'm gonna get the honey super on this one. It's already got a bunch of nectar in there, so I wanna make sure they have it, that they can build off of it and start cleaning it up and putting stuff in there. Let's go check on the 2 nucs across the creek.
Yep, that was fast.
Let's say these girls are doing good. You want to hold it and be the cameraman? Nice brood frame. A lot of eggs and larvae. Look at there. See that, Leroy? There's a bee hatching right there. The honey and pollen on this side. So I'm going to take this one for a split for sure. And there's our queen. You going to be able to find her now, Leroy?
Yeah.
There she goes. There she goes. A lot of bees in there. A lot of bees, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Not quite as much as the other one over by our house, though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see one getting honey.
We're gonna find the queen so we can mark her. So now that we know we have the queen, let's do a shake of some bees. So what I mean by that is we're gonna take these bees, Leroy, and shake them in there. So what I need to do yet is take a frame out of there, and I'm going to do 2 more shakes into here, and then we should be good. There's the queen. See that blue dot?
Yep.
So let me do a recap. Ooh, I am wet. It is hot. How warm is it? It's 80 degrees today. So I made a nuke. Now those 2 nucs over there that I got, because I got 3. Those 2 over there weren't doing as good as this one, that was for sure. But not like terrible, like a frame of bees behind. So it's not the end of the world. So I made a split using some of each from over there, and I didn't give them another box. So back there, I put the nuke that I got, I gave it another deep, and it only had 3 regular frames in there that weren't drawn out. The rest were all honey. I am hoping they build up enough where in 5 days I'm gonna check it out, and if they're building on those 3 frames, I'm gonna put the honey super on them. And I put the honey super on the one that made it through winter. Now the one that made it through winter, I was having issues with it earlier this year. I honestly think she was just holding back because of the weather, and I wasn't pumping the feed to them either. When I opened it up, I checked the bottom because I have the queen excluder on the bottom, and when I pulled out the 4th frame in from the right, and it was solid brood except for 1.5 inches on the sides, and then it had the dome of honey. But that wasn't honey, it wasn't capped, it was nectar. So, and it was eggs, and then on the very end of it, the bottom of it, and all of it was capped, and then the couple of them that weren't capped had eggs in them. So I was happy with her. She had quite a bit of brood in there. So I got nervous, lifted up the bottom, and she had queen cups on the bottom, or swarm cups. No eggs, nothing in them. Smashed them all, put them down. So I know they're gonna need more room. They're gonna explode. I'm gonna have to really watch her because I don't want her to try to swarm yet this year. I would like to take and pull, get a nuke off of her yet, or at least one frame, and let them make their own so I can have her daughter, because she made it through the winter of me not knowing what I was doing. So hopefully those genes stay, because last year she had a really good brood pattern. She did really well. The only thing is, I don't know if she's a 2019 or a 2020 queen, but I got her in 2020, so that's why I marked her blue. So there you have it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of this, so I'm sorry, I don't know if I'm gonna document every time I'm in these hives, because I'm gonna try to grow and do a bunch of work. You can see in my garage, see all the boxes over there, over there. I got so much stuff. I had an issue with Man Lake, actually, with the boxes connecting together. And I got this new company, it's actually an Amazon, and it was way cheaper than what you can buy all the stuff from Man Lake, because they had a sale. And even if they're not on sale, it's still $20 cheaper. And $20 in my pocket is $20. So I bought some of them. I got 4 of those that I'm working on putting together. And if you guys want, put in the comment down below. I can do a unboxing, or maybe I'll do it in one of my videos. But anyways, building as much as I can. I want to make a bunch of splits. I think I'm gonna stop doing splits probably around mid-June. So we'll see how it goes from there. Until next time, glad you got to see me again.